a red boy. Now let's get soap. Don't you?
Yeah, I want to see. Come on, little Roomba. Let's untie Jeb so you can get away from it. Pick up the leaves so it doesn't tangle it. Look at this. It's vacuuming for me. It's gotta go. Quinn.
I know.
Don't touch him. Let him work. Let little Roomba work. Gotta pick up stuff. Get out of its way. So it can work. Can you pick up that juice cup? Yeah. Can you pick up the juice cup, the lemonade cup, please?
I know you want me. I know you. I love you.
Good job, Roomba. Look at him go. Getting all the crumbs. Thank you, Roomba. Look, right over the carpet. Nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. Little Roomba. While my house is being vacuumed, let's open some birthday mail. Come on, Quinn. You want to sit there?
I'll open this one first. I'll open this one first, okay?
Okay.
Like that one. Good. Close your eyes, okay?
Okay.
Don't open them. Don't open them, okay? Keep your eyes closed, okay? Keep your eyes closed, okay? Keep your eyes closed.
Okay.
Keep your eyes closed, okay? Keep your eyes closed, okay, Mommy?
Okay, I'm just watching my Roomba. I love it. Okay, my eyes are closed. Wait, this one's from Uncle Joe. Okay, my eyes are closed.
Don't open your eyes. Don't open them. There you go, open your eyes.
Happy birthday! It's pink with flowers. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Beautiful. Hope all the special things you're wishing for come true, since you deserve a birthday as wonderful as you. Love, Uncle Joe and Aunt Joan. Yay! Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, that's a beauty.
Just open this one, okay?
Okay. Well, that one has a secret message on the back. It says, Mrs. P. Pronkle. Please let Quinn open this card. It's from Uncle Joe and Aunt Joan again.
Close your eyes, okay?
Okay.
Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. Keep them. Keep them closed. Keep them closed. Close your eyes.
Oh my gosh, is that cute?
It's for you.
It's a pink kitty card. I think it's for you. Oh my god. I think this is a music card. Here, you open it. That's awesome! It's a kitty singing birthday song card. Do you love that? You're amazed? How'd they do that? How'd they fit the kitty voice in the card? Are there kitties in there? That's awesome.
Meow, meow. Meow.
That is so cute. All right, there's one more.
Mine.
This one, I think, this is Uncle George's handwriting. I think this Uncle George snuck this here last weekend. Uncle George visited. Oh, beautiful.
Close your eyes, okay?
Okay.
Close your eyes. Go behind.
Oh no, this is for from Daddy. Who else but you was born to be the girl who means the world to me? Oh, that's so nice.
Aww. Thank you, Dada.
Thank you, Dada. So nice. Love Dada. Dada comes home tomorrow. Yay! Maybe a squirrel. It's always good. Pointing out Pookie.